The guy behind this account is a genius, because with only 6 videos, he's been able to get millions of views and grow to 75,000 followers. He's also reposted the content on TikTok, and this video alone will have made him $1,000 alone. This is because he's created a new niche where AI military vehicles explain their roles, and people love this. So I'll reveal exactly how to make this content in this video, and to show you the proof, here's what I made in 10 minutes.
My name is the F-22 Raptor.
I'm the reason enemy pilots lose sleep.
One of me costs about $150 million.
I'm opening ChatGPT. Now head to the free doc in my Discord, and I'm copying over our first prompt. I tell it we're doing the F-22 Raptor. It immediately spits out a persona, a smug, ultra-expensive fighter jet that looks down on everyone. It gives us the flex stats and a 45-second monologue that compares its cost to 300 Lamborghinis. That's our hook. Now we need the look. I feed ChatGPT the second prompt to translate that script into image engine language. It generates specific instructions for hero portraits and action shots. We're talking carbon fiber textures, cinematic lighting, and expressive mechanical faces. Don't skip this. The third prompt turns our script into a technical production storyboard. It writes the exact motion prompts we need for the AI video generator, telling it when to do a dramatic camera push or a cockpit sneer. Now that we have the script, we need the hero shot. I'm taking the visual and aesthetic prompt and heading over to openart. You can find the tool linked in the description. We're using the Nano Banana 2 model because it's the cheat code for this specific style. I'm pasting the meta prompt in. Notice how I'm asking for a hero portrait, a close-up on the face of the jet with an expressive, slightly arrogant look. Make sure the image ratio is set to 9:16 also. I'm hitting generate. Look at these. The F-22 isn't just a plane anymore. It has an expression. It looks alive. My private community is already scaling this method to dozens of channels, and this is the quality they demand. Now you want to repeat this process for all the images in our video. Just copy them over from ChatGPT, paste them into openart, and generate an image for each one. Static images are for 2024. We need motion. I'm grabbing our best hero shot from openart and switching over to the frame to video tool. This is where the magic happens. I need a technical production storyboard, so I'm heading back to ChatGPT. I'm using the motion, voice, and lip sync prompt. This tells the AI to break down our script into specific scenes with motion prompts. For the first scene, I want a slow, dramatic push-in from a wide shot to a medium close-up of the F-22 on the runway at sunset. I'm pasting that motion prompt into the Describe Your Video box in openart. I'm choosing the Ving 1.1 model because it handles mechanical movement and lighting better than anything else. Hit generate. While that's cooking, I'm going to repeat this for every single line of the script. One video for the introduction, one for the flex stats, one for the comparison. Once I have all my clips, I'm throwing everything into the editor. I'm grabbing all the video files and dropping them onto the timeline. I'm not just lining them up, I'm stacking the value. Next, I'm heading to the Adjustment tab and adding a custom adjustment across the whole timeline. Now in the top right, I'll increase the saturation to 10 to make the colors pop more, and I'll increase the vignette to 10 to bring the attention to the center of the screen. That's the video done, so just export it. If you're serious about making this your full-time thing, join my private community. Stop being a spectator. Go build something.